Mama wants to go for another little bike ride today. 105.5 miles. Take the HappyRun and a magicycle. Full battery this time. Mama took off. I'm gonna have to catch up now. Get it, HappyRun. Yeah, she don't want to wait up for me. I had to put the camera on my helmet and it wouldn't screw on. I'm trying to do it going down the road and I just couldn't get the thread to catch. Thread it on and you were like way past the dogs. I was like, holy cow. So that's why I went really fast to catch up and pass you. The suspension is, I say it every time, but the suspension on this is crazy. Crazy good.
Crystal River, take me slow, where the tides kiss and the soft winds blow. Crystal River, let me know why your heart shines, why your love flows.
And the sidewalk?
I think on this side, yeah. Huh. There's an old boat in there with a motor on it. They just left it. There's no lakes in there to ride, so motor must be shot. It won't last there long around here. Remember that motorhome? They parked it on the power lines and that thing was stripped in about 2 weeks. Completely stripped and gone. Wow, there's some, you don't want to fall off the edge of this sidewalk. $2 beers and $2 hot dogs. Hey, maybe we better stop. Last time we were in here, they had that whole end where it was all around that corner past there. It was all just dirt. Huh. Oh, they must be getting ready to do little rental cabins.
That thing's cute.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is pretty cute. Oh, it's locked. You can see the front kind of small living room part. Bedroom in the back, little tiny kitchen, and bathroom must be off the bedroom behind the kitchen. Huh. It says by appointment only. Gizmo house.
They must have rented out the lot for sales.
Right, it says appointment only, so. They should rent cabins out here though. That'd be a good idea. Beware of alligator. Just one? When was the last time we were here? That was last year, right?
Yeah, probably about a year ago.
They do have it set up really nice.
Yeah.
They are one of the most expensive ones around, but I heard they dropped their rates a little.
I do have to say, if you're coming camping and they don't have very many people here, it's like everything, it's their own private playground, a pool, everything.
Definitely.
They're all coming to look at us.
I know.
Look at the human zoo. Hi. How you doing?
Yeah, there's turtles over there. See the head? 2 turtles. Now 1 turtle. People must feed them here. They're just hanging out.
Mangroves arch like arms open wide.
turtle. They have vending machines for fish. I know, they're all waiting and we don't have a quarter. Look, come on, everybody feeds us. It is surprising they didn't put a little dock. Oh, look. They left some behind. Oh wait, that's a wasp nest. That would have been good.
Snooze or lose, boys. Wow, very long. Oh, look at that big one.
Yeah, big bass.
What's going on over here?
That's a good sized bass.
Yeah.
That's nice of them to leave wood for cookouts. So they definitely did some improvements since last year. Check your Sweet Citrus Acres app for daily activities. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
This is nice. They're closed. I want a $2 beer and a $2 hot dog. Exercise room. Huh. They even have their custom cornhole thingies. That's what she said. Very cool. 3'9" to 5'6". I'd like to have this size pool. I need an 8 foot or 9 foot deep area with a diving board though. And they have a lift. Very nice. Sorry miss, we're closed. If you're looking for a $2 hot dog, there's a guy with an e-bike, he'll give you one.
They're having pickleball at 9.
They have a nice little workout room too. Gym. Here comes security to get rid of the riffraff. How's it going? We're looking for the $2 beer.
Ow.
Now we actually came through last year, and I do YouTube, so we drove around and kind of just did like not a full review, but
Yeah.
you guys have a lot of improvement since last year.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, our maintenance manager's working on it.
We're wondering why you don't have paddle boats yet, you know?
That would be
A little tiny dock.
off the paddle boat.
Well,
Yeah, it sure
there's always that
There are
option,
some
right?
Florida native wildlife.
Oh yeah,
out
yeah.
there, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So, what's the name of your website?
MotoCheez, but it's EEZ at the end.
Oh, okay, MotoCheez. And
MotoCheez.
Is it travel or?
It's kind of a little of everything, but I do a lot of stuff around citrus because we have a place
great.
we've had for like 6 years.
Oh, that's great.
So we'll do bike rides and we go out in the pontoon boat or the kayak.
Oh, I need to
So,
how many followers do you have?
52,000 I think it
Really
is.
good.
My friend Wes, actually his son owns the construction company that's doing your, yeah.
Phase 3, they call that.
Adam Crosby is the guy that owns the company that's actually doing that now.
Yeah.
And his father's my neighbor, so that's how I knew that. Nice meeting you.
Okay, have a nice day. All
You
right,
too.
bye.
Tennis? I didn't notice that last time.
Yeah, they have that. A little manatee sculpture to center that.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. A little manatee sculpture.
The new coffee house like thing over here. I keep seeing
Oh, in that little
things.
plaza there was
I'd
something.
like
Do you want to go up and
in
look?
there.
Here's the coffee house. It says they're open. There's sign.
No, it doesn't.
This-
Monday through Friday and Saturday.
How come the sign's still open?
Well, I'm looking at the door. It says
Aw.
Monday through Friday and Saturdays. Carrier, Mounts Heating and Air.
God, there's so many. There's almost as many cannabis stores as air conditioner companies
That's why
popping
they're
up.
not in business. They can't keep-
The exit one's open, but there's really nothing to look at in there now. Just piles of dirt. Office Max. Probably would have made it if they held out a little longer too. Definitely nice and cool with all the trees.
Much better.
Instead of taking the sidewalk, going into town and cutting over. What the heck is that? Must have been a house. It's too small though. This could have been a garage. No trespassing.
Somebody ripped the house down?
Yeah, they must have. Shortcut. Wow. There must be a spring coming from up there. Definitely a spring coming from up there. Oh, that place got flooded last. This place too.
Yeah.
All the way up to the brick, over the brick. Now this, let's go up this. See, now that park that we went by, I should come through here. There's like a walk. So I just want to see.
Oh, well, let's go on the walk then.
Watch, that's a big curb. You know what happens to people that hit the curb. It kind of looks like woods. Well, let's see. This is the old train track. What? What's it say? This is private property? They bought the railroad right away. I didn't see it.
Camera activated to police.
I'm not going anyway. No regrets. What's up, buddy? Get going. Go ahead, you can go back, go fishing. Now you're gonna go by the horses and the goats, and you have nothing for them. They're gonna recognize you. She didn't bring us nothing last time she did. She said next time I'm getting 2 bags of carrots, and she didn't. Hey, pony. Bah. Bah. You hear that one yelling?
Play with us! Play with us!
He's very vocal.
Oh, look what they're towing.
Yeah, 2 jet skis.
How'd they get it to the water? Unless they had a marina come over.
Oh, maybe they did that. Right. All right, let's go into one way and check it out.
That's what she said.
It's okay. We're YouTubers. Like Jim Carrey.
Right turn only.
Boy, you broke every law there was on that sign. They're all one way. Huh. Every road is one way. That's weird. So you got to come in from there and then drive through.
We'll go. A baby concrete I could have.
Yeah. You want to look? Oh, they're closed. I was going to say if you want to look inside, but they're closed today. Oh, they got a little pool. Yeah, that's the size pool we need. Except that only has a 5-foot deep end. They have a dumping station. Potable water.
Got fire pits and out for the dog.
That's a dog area?
Why else would you have like that?
It's like when you go to the firemen's fairs and they have all the drunks penned in. It is a paw pen. How are you?
The joys of getting ready and getting home.
Yeah, those are dog pens. I think the other one was just a fire pit. What'd it say?
The non-alcoholic pit.
Oh.
I like these little rocking chairs. It's like
Yeah.
thingy-jiggy.
Yeah, they're pretty neat. You got the smoker going again. Oh, Mama's kicking up a gear. Finally went down 1 bar. 118 miles. Somebody with poor taste, and I say that riding an e-bike. Hey, it's all jokes. I had someone get mad about me saying mass holes on that ride me and Jeffro did up to Massachusetts. Jeez.
I was kidding! I was only kidding!
That place sold for $35,000. My camera alarms went off. Somebody's here. That was a good ride. Oh, what is it? 121.1. I just lost 1 bar not too long ago.
Like 15 miles because I was 308.
15 miles. Yeah, that was a good ride. Fun ride. And yes, I did pedal a lot. Just for the exercise. This concludes our broadcast day. Thanks for riding along.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.